Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Shaka Ilembe returns for an epic second season. The wait is finally over. The highly anticipated second season of Shaka Ilembe is set to premiere exclusive on Mzansi Magic on Sunday, June 15 at 8 o'clock. Following the massive success of its first season, which captured the hearts and imaginations of audience across South Africa and beyond, the saga continues with even more action, drama, and unforgettable storytelling. Season 1 of Shaka Ilembe wasn't just a visual spectacle, it became a cultural phenomenon. The series sparked widespread conversation, evoked deep emotions, and made a lasting impact on the South African entertainment landscape. The groundbreaking series won an impressive 12 South African Film and Television Awards, solidifying its place as a major milestone in the history of South African storytelling. Now the next chapter is ready to unfold, continuing the powerful journey of Shaka, the mighty Zulu king, as portrayed once again by Lemogang Tsipa. Joining him is Thembinkosi Mthembu, who reprised his role as Dingizwayo, a performance that earned him the SAFTA for Best Actor in the first season. Together, these two powerhouse actors will lead the viewers through the story filled with ambition, sacrifice, and unyielding power. In season 1, viewers followed Shaka's transformation from a young man to a fearless warrior and a king. Along the way, Dingizayo's exile and his unwavering loyalty to Balega were highlighted, showcasing his fight against death and slavery. Meanwhile, Queen Nandi, Shaka's mother, defied societal expectation with her fierce love and determination to protect her son. Now in season 2, Shaka and Nandi's journey continues as they arrive at KwaNombamba, marking the beginning of Shaka's reign as a new Zulu king. The stakes have never been higher. According to Nomsaphiliso, CEO of General Entertainment at MultiChoice, Season 2 is a journey into a very soul of Shaka the King, the strategist, the visionary, as he builds an empire. The returning cast is set to deliver even more intense drama in this new season. Mzamo Mbatha, who won the Best African Actress Award at the 2024 Septimus Award in Amsterdam for her portrayal of Nandi, is back to embody resilience in her role. Lima Sondo, who received the Best Costume Design Award for her work on the series, also returned, showcasing the series' continuous excellence in every detail. Alongside them, the talented Wiseman Ncube returns as a ruthless Zwide, and Dawn Thandeka King reprises her role as a formidable Mkabayi, whose authoritative presence captivates viewers every time she speaks. Kabonina Ncubeka and Mondli Makoba return as a power-driven Ntobazi and a steadfast Ngomani, respectively. Season 2 will also introduce fresh faces, bring new energy to the series. According to Desiree McGrath, partner and executive producer of Shaka Ilembe, the new cast members are an explosion of talent. They bring fresh energy, exploring the complexity of power, love, and loyalty in this turbulent era. These new characters will leave their own mark on history as they navigate the rich and complex world of Shaka Empire. The season will take viewers through new landscape and cultures, exploring everything from the majestic mountains of the Swati Kingdom to the rolling hills of the Xhosa. South Africa is rich with characters, and we're just beginning to uncover them. Mark Craft ads. Stay tuned for more.